how to use promo code on Lyft. So first of all, open Lyft application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are signed in to your account. Then at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of You. Tap on it. Now once you come to this page, you'll see the option of Rewards under Programs category. Let's tap on it. Once you come over here, beside the option of Offers, at the right-hand corner, you'll see the option of Enter Code with a plus sign. Let's tap on it. Now all you would have to do is enter the promo code for Lyft. Now, if you tap on the option of Done, then you will successfully be able to apply promo code for Lyft for your next ride. You will get the benefit of certain discount of the code that you have entered. So that's how simply you could use promo code on Lyft. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.